Hello. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the DO opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using do to get the output in iterative manner, focusing on practical examples. 1. Before we dive into the example, let's see the variables used in the program. Count, 2 digits, numeric, initial value is 1. Value, 2 digits, numeric, initial value is 0. Now let's explore how to use the DO opcode to create a triangle made of stars. First, we will create a loop for variable count where it will run the code till its value reaches 6. For this, count variable will be placed in factor 1 of do opcode, 6 will be placed in factor 2 and value variable will be placed in result field. By this way value of variable value will keep on increasing till 6. Now in that loop, we will run a secondary loop. In that secondary loop, numeric value 1 will go on increasing till the latest value stored in the variable value. And in this secondary loop we will print star for each iteration. That's how triangle of star can be created. In conclusion, the DO opcode in IBM RPGLE is essential for writing records or data in iterative way, such as star pattern in our example. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the do opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!